Hey guys, today we're talking about some cool features in this kitchen. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation with a special guest, Tyler Ellis from Realty One Group. Tyler, tell us a bit about this kitchen in this house.
One thing I really like about this kitchen is that it has a gas stove, which every home doesn't come with. The other thing I do like is the range, which is modern and quite stylish.
Yeah, nice open concept in here. In most infills, they're a little bit narrower, so design is really important here. We have a nice long island, lots of workspace, lots of seating, great for hosting and entertaining. Yeah, it's a beautiful space overall.
One thing I'd like to also mention is the walk-in pantry. A lot of homes like this don't come with the walk-in pantry just because of space.
Yeah, most often we end up having to build a pantry into the cabinet system, which can be expensive and doesn't quite hold as much as this nice walk-in pantry area. Other great details to talk about in this design is we have a built-in microwave within the island, and it's a pop-out drawer style, so easy to access, nice good space saver, always really important in a bit of a smaller space or where you have a linear constricted design.
It's also nice that it's under the counter where you don't see that unsightly microwave over top of the range.
Absolutely. That's one thing that drives a lot of people crazy is clutter on the countertop. So as you can see, lots of great features in this kitchen. If you have questions about how to incorporate these into your home, please do reach out. If you want to see the listing, you can contact Tyler through the information below. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Paul.
I'm Tyler.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels. Have a great day.